My name is Prakriti Mogesh. It's a good online shows for a student to study. I feel it's really a good method. Like when it comes to biology, ma'am usually took most of the lines from NCRT which were asked in NEET examination. Like in NEET, biology comes from NCRT and ma'am focused more on the NCRT rather than the out of NCRT topics. When it comes to physics, are focused on numerical questions. Like of course in NEET, more of numerical questions will be asked from physics rather than the theoretical one. When it comes to chemistry, sir had a different kind of approach, like inorganic, organic, and physical chemistry. In physical chemistry, it's more about numerical solving than focusing on theory. When it comes to inorganic, you should focus on theory. And organic chemistry had a different analytical approach when compared to others. So, sir usually did a great work on helping us to, learn the approach how to solve the questions accordingly. Sir, basically in the online education of my bank, teachers didn't just brought the question and did it on themselves. They taught us how the questions can be framed so that when we read the textbook or the notes, we can, think in our mind what kind of questions can be asked from this para or from this particular topic, which might be come in the examination. They didn't just took the question and randomly did it. They analyzed a lot and help us also to analyze the questions. Yeah. No, I didn't felt it is. I felt it as online education. Like it was quite very interactive. I felt it as if an offline teaching because the teaching was really interactive. The teacher was right in front. We felt like the teacher was right in the front, and whenever we had a doubt, we had the mic to talk, and the teacher would respond to it, like clearing our doubt in the depth, not like just randomly on the upper layer, solving the question. They went to the depth of the concepts and made us clear our doubt, which was also useful in solving many other questions. The concept that they explained was also useful in, solving other questions. Yeah, it was not much, difficulties in the online teaching thanks to the technologies. Yeah, like in biology, we had the Reddy ma'am. She's literally an amazing faculty. She helped us in understanding the concept in depth, not just many other biology faculties who go out of the topic or like, telling the things in upper layer. She also went to depth of the NCRT, like where the questions can be asked, questions from the thing, the way we should read the NCRT rather than, blindly reading it. I really liked the teaching of Bioma. Thanks for that.